Okay. Now in experiments, if you see that the first experiment, it says that write a script that logs hello world to the console. Okay, console, that means it will be HTML browser also. You can get the terminal, but I want this result on web browser. Followed with that, create a script that calculates sum of two numbers and display the result in alert box. Okay, that means alert box only will come in web browser. Alert box will not come in VS Code. VS Code, it will come that to read line or prompt it will come. Okay, it will display, but alert will not come on the VS Code. It will come only on the web browser. Remember. So this both program will do on the web browser. What we'll do? The first one is very simple. You can see that it's asking to hello world. So as we discussed earlier, just go to here, type console.log, and if you run here, you'll get the hello world. Okay, this is the hello world. Very simple. In the terminal, I am getting result. This is not as a log. Remember, I want to see in the log because in question it says that. Now what I'll do, in previous class we have discussed a very basic HTML code. You can write any HTML code, right? And now what you have to do, because we are writing JavaScript and that has to be embedded into your HTML code. For that, you can write inside the body section also. You can write before closing of head also. So most of the time JavaScript will be there before closing the head. I can write here also. Okay. Now what I want same result. When you want to use a script, JavaScript in the HTML, you have to use the code that is called as a script. Okay, you can see that the moment if I give a script, opening and closing tag, it will come. Now what I want, it says that log I want for the hello world. So write out same console.log, okay, and in the bracket I have to give hello world, okay. Okay, have the practice of semicolon. As we discussed, semicolon if you don't give also no problem, it will bore. I will save this. Now, hope you remember, in previously we have discussed about executing in live server. So right click, we have already installed. So if you have not installed, look at the previous video, you will get to know that how to install the live server. I'll click on open with live server. The moment we open live server, you can see that the result, because in the body tag, we have used h1 tag welcome to JS class, right? Yes or no? Correct? Right? Yes or no? But where is the log of hello world? See, I have used a script, but it is nowhere result is there of hello world. Where I can see the log? How you can see that log? So if you click right click and inspect, okay, at bottom you can see here inspector, console, debug, network, style editor, performance, memory, everything is there. What you have to do? You have to click on console. When you click on console, you can see we have our hello world result here in the console, right? I can use anything in the console. I can write here also and I can execute, right? So if I write here also console.log, okay, welcome semicolon, sorry, what happened? It won't work, right? So you have to write in the HTML code and then hence this result will be displayed. Clear? Where we can get the result? You have to choose any browser write the code into HTML. Okay, and see, now I have added this script here. I will cut this script and I'll move it below before head section. Save it. Again, the moment if I save, automatically this will get changed, right? Hope you all know that. If I refresh also, it's still same page. Now, same way, right click, inspect element, right? You can go to the console, you will see the console hello world is there, right? No changes, right? If I do it like this way, no changes until I am not going to print. If you want to print anything, if you write here with the scripting, like suppose, let's show you something. Generally when you want to write, it's called as document dot what? Write. Okay, and I'll print hello. I'm just writing anything. I want to show you that. Control S. Okay, I'm closing. I'll just refresh once again. You can see that because refreshing is not required. Sorry. Control plus. Can you see the result? Because I use here document.write. It is used to print. So whatever you want to print in a scripting using JavaScript, you have to use document.write method. Then see that hello is getting printed. But same place I have used console.log, that is not printing because that result will be in only in log file, not here. Clear? Clear guys? I hope it is clear. I will just do like this. Okay? Hope this is clear.